Hi everyone, I'm Owen Reich. I'm out here at Bask Retreat Center's Honey Cabin plant installation. This is phase one of our installation for this area. And one of the most important things about the Honey and Roots Cabin is that they feel secluded in the woods. And Eileen chose a paint color that helps them blend in when the trees are leafed out, which is this beautiful green color. And the areas surrounding the cabins are being designed in such a way that when visitors are here to experience the forest, they won't really interact with the Honey or Roots Cabin directly, and people will have, unlimited privacy. So in order to achieve that, we're thinning the canopy around us. We started that in March, and we're going to be selectively removing trees so that the remaining trees get stronger and more full. Then in February, we're going to plant more blueberries like this, probably in the 4 to 6 foot range. And we'll have at least 5 cultivated varieties of blueberries that will cross-pollinate and blooms at different times. One of the guest experience goals that I have is to add as many different types of the same plant in a given area so that the bloom season is extended and not just a week, for example. If you have 5 different cultivated varieties of blueberries, they'll be blooming and starting and stopping sort of staggered. So you might even get 2 months worth of blooms of blueberries this way. And so with most of the species that I'm utilizing for the project, that's one of our goals.